Ah, shit, here we go again.
There he is. What's up, buddy?
Hey. Ah, okay.
Yeah, I guess let's jump right into it, eh? Fuck.
Yeah, and this time the first thing I do is OBS
Yeah,
record it.
yeah, me too. I was struggling with the live stream though. YouTube wasn't letting me go live today, so I have to
Oh,
record.
that's sad.
Yeah, it's annoying. It uses up my CPU.
I guess we're trending up again.
Yeah, sure looks like it. At least for the time being.
Yeah, there is a really nice flush down,
Mm.
like in mid session. All right.
Make sure my orders are working.
Yeah, huge puke from yesterday. All right.
Try bidding 96.50 for the first trade of the day. Filled. A little bit of drawdown here. I'll try taking it off for a one tick loss. Yeah, I probably could have held that a little longer, but I didn't like how fast it was puking down there.
I think it's the open, so it's a range, but deep range
Mm-hmm.
almost. But if we are in a sleep range, it was a good call to actually exit from that. Yeah, I think today is gonna be interesting. I mean, educational
Yeah.
wise, very rangy so far. So new regime, I guess. Maybe that's a breakout from the range.
If we get a pullback to maybe 99.50, I'd be looking to get long. But that's quite a ways down.
Yeah, I was thinking.
I'm gonna try playing this slip range real quick. Just top ticked, so I don't think I am actually. Yeah, I was thinking of getting long at 4, but now that setup's over essentially.
Yeah, I'm also long bias, but the timing it is a little bit hard.
Yeah, we got 2 monster reclaims below us. I would like to see us invalidate those first.
Yeah, I might try to get in the long on around 4, but after the reclaims is partially taking back.
Yep.
So now we're at the mid. Let's see.
I'm gonna set my
Entirely
order
take
99.75.
entirely taking back. Struggling to get back to the 4s.
Filled 99.75. I'll take that there. Nice.
Nice. Good job. Good trade, man.
7 ticks, I'll take it.
Yeah, we're coming back into prior range, maybe. Let's see. Yeah, entirely coming back into the prior range. But it's not enough for actually going shorts.
I try bidding 94.50. Filled. A little bit of drawdown. I cut it there. 5 tick loss. I would have liked it to bounce a little faster.
I'm gonna wait for the reclaims around 88. This could be a really good spot to it, but I also need current confirmation.
Glad I got out of that.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely. Good reaction around 88. But I have nothing to enter.
I'm gonna try 90 here. Oof, that was a stop out.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I gotta be a little careful about my entries. But I think that's the name of the game with this volatility.
Yeah, that was so fucking fast. Okay, we took entirely the reclaim. Yeah, nothing for me so far.
I like this little micro range here.
Jesus. Okay.
Nice little second leg there. Took a mental trade at 83 long, and I'm glad I didn't actually place it.
Yeah, I think I have to change my mind anyway. Or every mental trade, and I mean any idea of long is not working so far. So I have no setup too. So maybe now if it's coming back into around 85.
Yeah, I might enjoy a short setup there. Maybe 85.50 is what I was thinking.
I was considering a long, but just saying.
No, that's fair. It's doing this weird inverse M pattern thing. Big bidder at 81.75. He pulled his order, but I like that setup.
Right, I have a 50-50 setup. Either going short or long. Let's see.
I'm gonna leave an order at 81.75 and see if I get filled on it.
Nice push. Alright, I'm gonna enter here. Alright, fine enough. Nice.
Nice trade, dude.
Nice, nice. That was a 8 tick. 8 tick.
I'm gonna try 84.50. Looks like it's invalidating the reclaims here, at least in the last couple minutes. So I want to try to use that to my advantage. I'm going to keep this order open at 84.50, but I might move it up to 86.25. Yeah, let's move it up. See if I get filled on this most recent slip range here. Shooting for 86.50.
Yeah, I re-enter here around 89.25, but I'll exit for 160. It's taking too long.
Sure. Ugh, couple ticks off. Oh, filled on slippage there. Is it 10 o'clock? That was a little weird. The price action is a little weird. I'm going to hold this, eat some drawdown. And then ideally from here, I want to see it go straight fucking up. I don't want to see any hesitation. It's hesitating. It's hesitating. Yeah, I'm going to take this off for 2-tick win.
Nice.
Ooh, good thing I did. That
Good
would
call.
have stopped me right the fuck out.
Yeah. Good fucking call, dude. Alright, guess we are downtrending now.
Mental trade short here, 82.
Yeah, the momentum is with you, I think.
Yeah, I probably would have taken that for 2 points right there. Let's try short 82.25. Play out this slip range into a low of daybreak. Couple ticks off. There we go, filled. Oof, instantly stopped out. I'll try reinitiating it here. Short 83. I'm going to take it off here if it'll let me. Yeah. Okay. So I was able to recoup that a little bit. Let me do the math. I got stopped out for 8 ticks. But then I made 11 ticks off of it by reinitiating. I think that was a good call. I think my stop was a little too tight there, which is a lesson I'm going to have to carry forward throughout the day.
Yep. Yeah, I think the volatility is like super fast.
Yeah.
Yeah, hesitating enter 79. No problem. So we are back into the bigger range on 10 minutes. So for me, that's maybe the sign of continuation to the lows, but that's prediction right now.
Yeah, I'm going to try 77, 75 to play out this slip range. It's hesitating a little too much. I'll eat this drawdown, but I would like it to continue here in the next couple seconds. Stopped out. That's alright.
Mm,
The volatility is deceiving.
I think you might have to be a little bit more precise and don't let any drawdown because
That's
I
the
mean
conclusion I'm starting to come to because I feel like the volatility is tricking me into thinking I can afford to be aggressive, but it's the same price action. It's just stretched,
yeah.
you know.
So yeah, I don't know, man. Such maybe
Just try a few
because
like a
like
little more conservative on my entries.
I don't think Fat Cat told you to actually take biggest wins
Yeah.
in this environment. Yeah, that's a continuation here, I think. Yeah, the pace is picking up. Uh, yeah, I think we might gonna revisit the lows today.
I had a good idea with that short. It's just the wrong entry. I think I should have been looking at like 80 for an entry. So I'm going to try to be a little bit more conservative with my entries today. I think getting in where I did was too aggressive given the volatility.
How do you enter, by the way?
Limit order. So
Yeah, but I mean, what is the signal to go? You
um, in your terminology, it'd be a chop run.
got job.
So you're looking at my screen.
Yeah, I'm looking.
So we came down, right? We're making new lows. We chopped here and then we ran again.
Yeah.
It was kind of doing the same thing here, but it's messy. It's not as clean.
Yeah.
See what I mean? So this would have been the ideal setup right here. But I was a little too aggressive getting in right here, which is kind of what I'm saying. Like the volatility is tricking me. It's tricking me into thinking I can be aggressive when I should be conservative. I should be waiting for the ideal entry.
I mean, I don't know if you're interested, but I have a secret sauce right now that's working like super well.
Yeah, I'll pull up your screen one sec.
Um, I don't know if it's gonna keep working or not, but I keep having success with it. So I might gonna share it with you because like
Sure, I'm watching.
you're a good trader anyway.
Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
So yeah, the thing is, if I have like a long idea like this trade,
Hmm.
I would need some liquidity to actually pull my trade. So for example, I have like this micro range here.
Sure.
See carefully how we don't create any micro range around any.
Hmm.
Yeah, we have nothing, any store, nothing, except at this spot. So if I have a long idea, I would try to at least the price coming back here on
Okay.
the top of this range, and I'm gonna wait for this little pullback here. All I'm waiting is like red candle, blue candle, and I mean, in how far it's depending on how far the pullbacks are coming back into this prior range, but it's gonna give me at least 5 ticks because I'm playing this micro range liquidity here,
Okay.
and I'm already waiting for the price to actually come back into some liquidity area after a flush to the upside or downside to actually time my trade, and it's keep working because like um, here you have this prior range, you have this prior range here, but the interesting fact is like we don't come out and get back in.
Hmm.
I don't have any timing to actually enter this micro range, but here you do have the slip range like you said,
Yeah.
but when we actually come back in, that's my timing because we are short bias.
Sure.
I have my tops and the price coming back in, and I will consider to actually valid when touch this level. That's this so 100% discretionary.
Mm-hmm.
But when you touch this level, I'm gonna try to watch for micro pullbacks here and actually go play for at least six
Okay.
tick.
I
And
see.
then if I'm right with the bias, then that's gonna give me much more.
Sure.
So all I've been saying is like if you have like a long idea, having a prior range here to actually play this only this to have guaranteed ticks.
Yeah.
And then if you are right, it's gonna push higher.
Sure.
But and same for for shorts. See, right now we are creating micro range, so my ideal timing to enter short is gonna be like something up there, and then it's fade, come back in, and then wait for micro pullbacks and actually go for it.
Okay. I see what you're saying.
And I'm keep having good pure momentum trade with that.
Sure.
So I don't know.
Yeah. Let me start marking out micro ranges.
From yourself and actually try if you want to.
Yeah. Let me see if I can apply what you're saying.
It's just about the timing. You can just do mental trade if you want with that. And I mean, right now I'm sitting on my hand because like there is no setup.
Mm-hmm.
But when it's giving me setup, it's usually really good ones and I have like instant momentum, so it's worth. But you also have like some micro. I mean, like for example, after this, if you missed this thing, you can still have some momentum here because you're still in the momentum of the right spots.
Yeah.
But the fact is that you're facing this kind of stuff.
Mm-hmm.
So if that's the case, you have to exit early because if it's working, it's gonna work really fast.
Sure.
Otherwise, see this micro pullbacks is really good to enter,
Yeah.
but it's really depending on when it's happening. If it's happening right after this area, that's a good thing. But if it's been a long time, we are fading away, then yeah, maybe sit on your hand because like you gotta face this stuff.
Interesting. So, with this current micro range, would you
Yeah.
consider getting short on a pullback here?
I'm not considering short because like if it's coming back here, that's more about a long
Okay.
bias. Except if we are coming way upper and coming back in, but it's might gonna create other micro range since then.
Sure.
So see right now we're creating some sort of stall here,
Yeah.
but yeah, it's just breaking out. So that's pure trend. I have nothing. What I really like to enter is like some micro range, some try to push higher pairs coming back in the liquidity and go with the liquidity.
Yeah.
That's it.
No, that makes sense.
You are not in stream anymore, by the way.
Oh, I think my Discord crashed for a second.
Yeah, I heard you. Like you can watch my clip, my video, and it's always the same thing.
Mm.
And it's working too with a higher time frame idea. Like you see, like I told you, like we could actually go to the lows of this range.
Mm.
It's because like we create this range here, we create a run, come back in, and now we take all this liquidity to actually create this run. But it's really depending on the context, of course,
Yeah.
and it's depending of if you are long bias or short bias. But that's my timing to enter my trade anyway. So
Yeah.
I hope that's gonna help you or give you some new idea. I don't know.
Yeah, it gives me some inspiration.
But yeah, I keep having success with that, so hope that's gonna works. See, since it's pure train right now, there is nothing much to do. And I think I also have to develop some sort of trend following style.
Mm,
Like in this area, we create no micro range at all, so I have no reason to exit a short if I'm short here.
sure.
So let's see. All right, so we have some context here. Now this micro range, so that's more about a long signal right now. But since it's not enough to actually create a trend up, I'm gonna sit on my hand. See, in this spot, you could actually, like, with the micro pullbacks here,
Mm,
you could actually get in the micro in the pullbacks and have some momentum at least to play this liquidity. So you have 7 ticks around this area. But right now, if I'm short bias, I would prefer to have like some sort of micro range forming rather than old one.
sure.
Since this move is stay above, so we do have a slip range now. Yeah, that's a slip range. So my timing to short here is like up and then come back in.
Mm,
But it needs to come back very low, so around 38, 39. Because up there, it could just range stack
yeah.
above. So that's why I'm waiting to actually pull backs all the way to the lows.
Yeah, I agree with you. This would also be a setup for me. So I'm gonna try bidding 39.25 and allow some drawdown.
Oh yeah, so we are not coming back in. See, the way we are coming back into this prior range here,
Mm,
I told you that that's more about a long signal,
yeah.
and that's actually the timing. So to actually, if you have a long idea, at least. I'm not sure it's the current bias, but that could be a timing. And I'm always try to refer to the last range I see.
Mm,
So if there is another one forming up there, I'm gonna be playing this one. But now this trend looks a little bit more solid, so I would need 2 fails at least. But yeah, right now the longs look solid. See, you have this micro range too,
yeah.
and depending on what's gonna do, I would try to go for micro range, micro plays. All right, so gonna push into the reclaims. So we do have this micro range here.
Yeah, I might try bidding 44.75.
Yeah, I would wait for the second leg to enter shots, but right now longs looks good. See, here we came back in. We came back in the prior range up
Yeah.
there, and that's the pullbacks. So I'm gonna try to enter long here. Let's see. Yeah, it's taking too long. It's not gonna work. Yeah, I have the. I think my stuff was too tight for this train, or I missed my. Train following. No regrets on this one. Okay, so now I'm more short bias since he did this little thing.
Alright, filled 45.
No, I'm not.
Took that there.
Yeah, nice, good job.
12 ticks.
Yeah, that was a mistake for me to say short bias because like yeah, I need two fails and that's the only one.
Sure.
And the first fail is really good entry spot to enter long. So and you got it. So good job.
Thanks.
Okay, and now I'm short bias. Green. All right. I think I entry too early. Yep. All right. Okay. I've got lucky. I'm gonna bait for the sleep range. Yeah, I might stop. Can't take it. And maybe I'm not in the right spot too.
I'm gonna try 48.75. Filled. I don't like how it's chop blocking up. I'm gonna take this off here. 5 tick loss.
Yeah, you try a short.
Yeah. Yeah, I tried to do the reject of that range right there, but it clearly didn't reject because it held the lows. The higher lows, I
Yeah.
should say.
See the micro range just below your entry. When it's coming back to 47,
Mm-hmm.
that's actually the timing to enter because you see around above that it's more about the range stack
Sure.
and trend following.
Yeah, range stacking on the micro time frame.
Yeah. See, I was wrong. I was right about the timing, but I was wrong about the bias. So that's why I took a stop.
Sure.
So I'm okay with that.
So we got another prior range here. Now, according to your system, you would want a pullback towards the lower end of this range, like 55, right?
Hold on. I'm tagging. Okay. So where?
Looks like we just
Why?
blasted straight through it. So it might not be the best example. Let's see though.
See, right now we are in the new area, new place. So it needs to build the setup. We do have this reclaim to entirely taking back. When it's making new highs like this and we only have reclaims in place, that's a good spot to actually place reclaims, but I don't have this skill
Yeah.
yet. But I keep seeing this, so yeah, that's a really solid uptrend right now. Yeah, so we might be overall in a range on 10 minutes. That could be it. That's a good steep range here. Alright, this spot is really good because we have like a sleep range and a reclaim below. So ideally I would like to see like taking partial of this reclaim and coming back in this deep range.
Yep.
That could be nice. We are in a very strong uptrend right now, so not much risk to actually go long. Alright, we do have some micro shit here. Coming back in, that's the timing. Yeah, I'm gonna try to enter long here. Instant take profit.
Nice, dude.
I had no time to actually move my, my take profit because I know that this could be a breakout here. But hey, I'm taking it. Nice. right. That's starting to look like yesterday.
Yeah, a little bit.
But overall, we are range stacking, so. Did you understand the timing of my trade, or
Uh, Not really, honestly. I just saw a mid roll.
like if I'm zoom in here, we have like this micro range.
Okay.
So we come back up, come back in. So that's a short bias, the short signal. If I was in the short context, but that's not the case. So come back in, create new lows from
Mm-hmm.
that. Come back into the prior range. That's my pullbacks, and then I just enter here around here
Huh.
for instant momentum. But that's really micro shit here. But
Yeah, that's pretty small.
that's the idea anyway. So I leveraging this micro shit to actually enter long. All right, so we have some sleep range above here. Come back lower, come back in. So I will try to enter for long in the pullbacks. I mean, with the pullbacks. Let's see if there is one. All right, I'll enter here. Need to push faster. Yeah, I'm gonna try to exit for a break-even. Oh, I can push this. Yeah, I think I enter way too above, and see I don't have any micro range up there to actually leverage this trade.
Sure.
It was so now I have this micro range to actually leverage this idea, but here it was too early. And now that's the timing. I to re-enter. Pullbacks. Entry. I don't have blue candles though, so that's maybe an early entry. Okay, I have this now. Taking too long. Yeah, that's gonna fail. Alright. Yeah, I think that's a chop walk up. So I need to sit on my hand. I need to tank this drawdown. Yeah, fuck.
I just got filled 70.75.
Yeah, that's a way better price than me.
Might have to cut it here though if it doesn't make a new high soon.
So
Yeah, stopped out.
yeah, and here that might be a change of character. No, maybe not. Yeah, I think it's like yesterday. Chop walk up.
Fuck. That's frustrating. I got stopped out by fucking one tick.
Yeah.
That's fucking frustrating. Well, I'm gonna take a walk away for a bit, but I'll be
Yeah,
back in a
good
couple
idea.
minutes.
Yeah, see ya.
Hello, guys. How you doing?
Hey, Rita. I'm training right now, but struggling a little bit, and Chronic is having a break right now.
Okay, and how you doing?
Um,
Uh,
f- I'm fine. Like it's a sim trading today, and I really want to experiment thing.
okay, so no live trades or real trades for you today?
No, no.
Okay,
I'm gonna start a Foded account next week, and I'm gonna be in
nice,
sim until then.
nice. Yeah,
Thank
man.
you.
And Cronky, how's Cronky doing?
Oh, I just got back. What's up?
Hey,
Nice,
hey, what's
nice.
up, Cronky? How you doing, brother?
I'm all right. Last couple days have been difficult for me with the environment change, but I'm enjoying the screen time.
That's the important part, right?
Yeah, well, exactly.
Yeah, man. That fucking ES is fucking Nasdaq right now.
Yeah, pretty much.
Damn, it was hard for me.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Yeah, man. It's just complete complete nuts right now. I don't know what's driving this volatility, man.
yeah,
I think it's Nvidia earnings or something, like moving the markets or
yeah,
something like that. But man,
yeah. It's nuts. It's a monster today.
absolutely, man. Absolutely. Hmm. I mean, it is moving 5, 6 points like ticks.
Yeah.
It is insane, man.
yeah.
Let's see what's going on here.
Yeah, that's bad timing. Yeah, I keep entering early today. I don't know why. I think it's the volatility that's make me, and I think my stop is way too tight too.
I don't know if that is happening to you, Cronky, but I yesterday and today I've been struggling that I just can't catch a good sleep entry. I'm always against the sleep because the volatility, man. I don't know if
Yeah,
that is happening to you.
it's really hard, and even if I think I'm getting slip favor, it ends up not being that, and I get stopped out. you know?
And I fucking know what you're talking about. It's insane.
Yeah, it's really tough. A lot of people thrive in volatility, but I mean, the last couple of years have just been so slow that
Exactly,
it's tough.
exactly, man. That regime change, it is just so fast.
Yeah,
Yeah, man, absolutely, absolutely.
all right. I still like the uptrend, so if we can invalidate that reclaim below us, I would not mind getting in on it. All right, I'm gonna try 76.50. Filled. Let it breathe a little bit. Ugh, stopped out. See, I thought I had slip favor there at 76.50, but it wasn't even close.
Mm. That
Yep,
you know
nope.
what? Probably, I mean, that's all happening. Has been happening a lot to me. Like I kill a trade, and suddenly, like second after, it is just go exactly to my target.
Yeah,
And this volatility, man, it's just difficult to get sleep, and it's difficult to get um like an idea or a hypothesis about whether to actually let the trade breathe or not.
yeah.
It's super difficult, man. Super difficult.
I'm gonna try 73, 75, maybe 74.
Yeah, fuck. Yeah, not my day. Hopefully I'm in sim, so I can just try this shit up, try things.
Try 75-25. Oh, it's just stalling down here, and then it fucking launches like that. Try taking it off at 77.50. 77.25, I'll take it.
Absolutely wonderful trade, man.
It's a
That
good
was a good
trade.
one.
8 ticks.
Yep.
But my average loss is so much bigger. It's frustrating.
Yeah, man, I absolutely understand you, man. It fucking happens the same to me. I mean, we trade like very similar, so
Yeah.
I absolutely understand your problems, man. Those are the same problems that I have right now.
Yeah.
But it's mainly because of volatility, and basically it is, a shift in the regime. So it's basically to learn how to trade again.
Yep. Exactly.
Yeah, something is so far about my timing here.
Got a lot of assets that want to mean revert here. I'm gonna try 74.50. It's a little aggressive, but I really like the correlation setup. See if I can get a mean revert at least part of the way through here. Just take it off there. 77.50. Nice. Whew. Alright, 12 tick win is a little closer to what I want.
I think I'm getting so tricked by the volatility.
Yeah, you're telling me, man. Fuck.
Damn. Oh, today is the absolutely mess. Nothing. Yeah, I had some trade to works at the beginning of the session, but right now it's like Jesus Christ.
Yeah, it's tough. That I think what saved me there, the only reason that trade worked is because every asset was mean reverting at the same time. Which kind of goes to show, like, you need so much edge just to get one winning trade.
Yeah.
Because that's rare. That almost never happens when every asset is mean reverting at the same time. And I also had to take an aggressive entry on it, so there's a lot of shit working against us. It's making us work for it today, definitely.
Yeah. Okay, I think I might figure out why I'm getting smashed.
Could be mid roll in here. Yeah, I'll try 78.50 for a mid roll. Alright, filled. That was a sharp drop, though. It's gotta fucking reclaim fast. There we go. Local high. I would like to see this over 80. I'm gonna take this off for 2 ticks, 1 tick. I don't like that we've failed to make a new high right there. I'll take a 1 tick win over a loss any day of the week. I'll slip range here with a flat area above us. Let's see if I can get correlation on the mean reversion play again. Maybe like 74.50. Okay, there's the bottom of the range. I'll try it. 75.25, touch. I'll try 75.50. Filled. I'll take it off there. I'm not trying to overstay my welcome. 10 tick win.
Nice.
See, we found a range, and I can play fucking ranges. But it's not easy. Like holding for 10 ticks, like that, that took a lot out of me, you know? I can't do this all day.
We have to adapt.
Yeah, exactly. I've got a lot of edge on these last few trades, though. I'm just not sure if I want to keep taking it since we're failing to make new highs. Nvidia just mid-rolled and it looks like it's going to break down out of its range. Same with Amazon. NASDAQ kind of looks like it wants to break down its range too. Yeah. It's either going to break out or V-flush here. And I'm not really trying to play either one. Got some reclaim below us. I'm going to try a mental trade at 70.50 short. But I don't think I'm going to get filled mentally. Alright, mentally filled at 70.50. I'd probably cut it here. I don't like that hesitation. Kind of looks like a V-flush at this point. I kind of like the range stack play here. NVIDIA's range stacking to the downside, and it kind of seems like NVIDIA's moving the market today. So maybe if we can get up to 70.50 one more time, I'll consider getting short up there. Just get the mean favor. Yeah, I'll try it. Why not? Alright, I'm gonna move up to that most recent range. still liking 68.75 for a short. Let's see if we get it. Close. I don't think I'm going to like it as much if it comes back now. I think that's gone. I'm just going to run to the bathroom real quick. I'll be back.
Guys, I'll be back, okay?
Okay.
What are your thoughts about this range, Yuki?
Which one? Which one?
It's kind of a micro range. I think you just
Wait,
highlighted it.
wait, hold on. Might have the timing. Yeah, that's uptrending now. Which one you talking about?
The one you just did.
This one?
Yeah, and you answered my question perfectly.
Yeah, I was waiting for a pullbacks in winning, but since you just create a new high, that's the sign that we might gonna uptrend. And the second thing is like this up move.
Yeah.
I have like a signal move and a setup move. So a signal move is typically this one. So we blow the stacks,
Sure.
and now that's the setup move. So we much create some force to actually get out. But if it's gonna fail and I'm gonna play this micro range here instead, I'm gonna
Okay.
get short. Because like this move is supposed to actually go way higher, but if you noticed on the signal move, we don't have any liquidity to actually
Yeah.
take it. If this move was this signal move, this could be way better. But since this signal move is just pure momentum, I don't think it's gonna be that good. At the same time, let's see, because it just dropped work right now, so generating liquidity.
Yeah.
Let's see. I don't have a good read today, and that's gonna be super interesting to actually review it.
Yeah.
But yeah, let's see.
It's taking back those reclaims to the upside really fast. But
Oh,
it's
wait,
failing to
hold
make
on.
new highs.
Oh, all right. I think I might know what's happening. Like I said, I'm in 30 seconds here, and if that's the case, so that the signal move and the way we are descending is actually telling me that we're gonna go a little bit lower, actually find a bottom, and then take all this liquidity here.
Sure. Fill the gap.
Yeah, and that's why the chop walk down is this way. So for me, that's the setup move to actually go long after that. But finding the right spot and right timing to actually go long, it's another story. But usually it's gonna take maybe this weekend back at least. So right now I'm more about short bias, but I need to time it right because like I keep having bad timing. But that's normal because like I don't have a good read today. I completely messed up on this range stack.
Sure.
Range here, range above. But that's gonna be new information for future days. I don't know if you watched the video about FatCat system.
Yeah, his decision making.
Yeah,
Yeah, that was a good video.
and that's like he have so much clarity about the different contexts that could exist.
Yeah.
And I only have few of them. I mean, I have a pretty good clarity on downtrend, but in uptrend and ranging, that's not the case.
Sure. So it's putting in these spikes up here.
Yeah, that for me it's just generating liquidity, and let's see. Hopefully I can push.
Reject this prior range.
But yeah, right now, if I'm right about my read of the markets, I have 100% short bias right now.
Yeah.
But I need to timing it right, and that's the hard part.
I had an idea for a long at 68, and I think it would have worked. Well,
Yeah, I
obviously it would have
mean,
worked, but it's not quite enough confirmation for me to want to enter it.
in every timing, like long and short could works, but for me, I'm always trying to work with higher picture idea.
Yeah, yeah, understandably.
And if we are coming back into the prior range in yellow, that's that's mean that that is the started move, and that's it, and we're gonna push higher from now.
Sure.
But let's see.
Take a mental trade at 72.25. I think I would have got filled there. Yeah, I think I'd probably try to get out of it. It's not going up fast enough. Alright, well, we've pretty clearly rejected that prior value area.
I mean, still a bit. We're still in the up momentum right now, so
Yeah.
I don't know how to think about it. But I will have a clear confirmation if we go around 70, 79,
Sure.
80. And I don't know why today I keep like I think it's the volatility that struck me because like I don't take my profit. I'm always reaching for higher target, but that's a
Yeah.
bad idea because like things shift so fast.
Yeah. I'm struggling with that too. I'm either holding too long or I'm cutting too early.
Yeah. I don't think I'm gonna post anything today because like I feel like I'm experimenting way too much for
Sure.
actually calling the session.
I think that
But
makes
I'm
sense.
gonna definitely gonna rewatch the video again and again.
Yeah.
To nail my timing and my idea. Okay, we do have confirmation here. So yeah, that's the bottom of the move, and now we can actually go higher. And now we need to time it. I have to be patient because I don't know how to time it properly. Another interesting fact that the bottom of this up move is actually some really good ranging.
Okay. Yeah, I think that makes sense.
I think for me, in my point of view on the market, is like when you have ranges is where the market's gonna go next.
Sure.
And yeah, let's see what's gonna happen. I have to keep it in mind though.
It's a little aggressive, but I might try a shimmy back trade at 83. Just to catch some quick momentum, but I don't like it slow down here. I'm going to pull that order. It's kind of like it's slowly bleeding down where it should be fast, you know.
Maybe you are FOMOing too.
That could be. I've been trying to get long on those pullbacks, so my areas where I was trying to get long was 75, 75. I never got filled. I wanted to get long 77.50 and then 80.50. So you're probably
you
right.
Definitely you definitely have FOMO. And that's a good call, I think. I already have a mental trade to actually long here, but I don't think I'm getting really trapped about micro range. Like here is quite flat, but it's quite ugly at the same time. Yeah, maybe was it a orange?
Just mark out high of day here. 91.75 is high of day.
Yeah, I'm thinking right now we might gotta revisit the high of this range. Maybe even further because like on the prior move around 20, we range a lot up there. So we might gonna revisit this area.
I might be a bidder at like 82.75, but that might be too optimistic.
I have so much difficulty to actually time during long phases. Yeah, days like this make me think about I'm so fucking far away from consistency.
Yep. We got a long way to go.
Yeah.
I'll try a mental trade at 86.25. I think that would have filled me. And that probably would have stopped me out.
Yeah, I'm so damn sure that's gonna range stack above the old one. Fuck. That's why I'm getting fucked so much during uptrend.
I would really like 83 for a long. If we just like V flushed into this prior value area. I think if it gives it to me, though, I want to be on the right side of the V. Yeah, I'll try it. Filled 83.50. Oof, I don't like that it just rejected there. I'll take it off for a 1 tick loss. Oof, stopped out.
Yeah, you have no time to react.
Whew.
And now we are back on the top of the prior range. Let's see what's gonna happen.
NVIDIA might be able to carry a mean reversion here for me. I'm going to try 81.75. It's a little aggressive, but I like the correlations here. Come on, 81.75. Try 82.25. I think that's my final offer.
Information for long. And now I'm looking for timing.
Again, I have
Yeah,
a good
man.
idea. I'm too tight with my idea.
Okay, pullbacks. Is that the pullbacks?
I'm gonna try to get in 83.50. Touch no fill. Touch no fill. Alright, there's my fill. Eat a couple ticks draw down here.
It's taking way too long for our pullbacks.
Stopped out again. Damn.
Ah, yeah, that's fucking hard. Okay, so we failed the attempt to actually range stack. We didn't spend much time on highs too. So I might consider it flush back down maybe. And the fact that we have the prior range to the lows could actually attract, but I don't know about this one. I'm not that confident because like if it's range stacking to the highs, I never be able to read it.
Sure.
That's really flat here. Might try a short, yeah. To play the get back into this reclaim. And it can combos into the prior range here. I'll exit here. Ideally.
That was a good trade.
Yeah, I think that I got my trade of the day, but I'm gonna exit here.
We just mid-rolled off of this 10-minute range.
Reclaim. All right.
Aggressive for a V flush. Do I have correlation? I don't think I do. Nvidia's still making a new low. Nasdaq new
Yeah,
low.
I think we're gonna revisit the range to those.
Yeah.
Like I say to you, like when we have like very long range happening, that's gonna give you the next move. Especially when we break out from this range with really big reclaims.
Yeah.
If we are range stacking, we might be considering like a better trend than just reclaiming. Yeah, I could held it a little bit longer, but that's okay. See, only shots are working for me. Fuck. I need to get good with longs for fuck's sake. Okay, so now since we have setup move, actually move, but right away fails, I will actually considering short bias now on higher time frame. But it needs to be confirmed to actually go through this prior range.
Mm. I'm gonna try shorting that 69 even.
Yeah, we can have some drama here. Again, if I wanted to short a timer short, I would like to see a micro range to actually help me. Momentum skips. Back into prior range.
Try 67.75 short. It looks like it's compressing upwards.
Yeah, right now I don't have anything to actually enter except the bias.
Alright, I got a couple ticks out of that.
Nice, good momentum trade. But yeah, like right now I don't have anything to actually know to be in the right spot to hold my trend.
Yeah.
But you can always get some momentum if you are with the bias anyway, so.
It looks like upward compression here. I mean, it wouldn't be outside the realm of possibility, in my opinion, if we bounced off that prior range and took back the reclaim above us.
Yeah, that's be overall a sleep range.
Yeah. Yeah, it wouldn't be the most surprising thing.
Yeah.
I might try catching some momentum to the upside.
But that's really weird because like we already sleep this area and feel this area.
Yeah.
But if it is just a sleep range, that's just unpredictable, except the extreme.
I'm gonna try 71. Filled 71. I would like us to revisit that local high though in the next couple seconds, otherwise I'm gonna have to cut this. There we go.
Nice.
To see us above 74, I'll take it at 74.25 if it'll let me. 74 evens. There we go, filled on 74 evens. 12 tick win. Can't say no to
Nice.
that.
Yeah, exit that. I got sleepage on my entry. Sad. I feel like I almost need to enter with stops order.
Yeah, right? And it's not. I used to do that back in the day, and it's not a horrible idea.
I'm gonna try a stop order here. Might be wrong on the bias still.
Do stocks agree with this move? I think they do. I'm gonna try 71.50. Alright, filled 71.50. Take it off there. Whew.
Jesus Christ.
I didn't catch
What
all
is
of
that?
that, but I definitely caught some of it. 6 ticks.
Nice.
Alright, unfortunately, I'm gonna have to check my P&L. I think I'm green on the day after commissions. Which might also be a good time to stop. if yesterday
Yep.
was any lesson, you know. Let me see what it's at after commissions. Yeah, after commissions, I'm break even essentially.
Nice.
Oh, it wasn't easy. It wasn't easy, Yuki. That
I'm
took a
getting
lot out.
smashed, bro. You can like, I know I'm not taking care about my PNL at all right now, but just guess how deep I'm in, right?
Oh God.
Just guess.
What? I'm gonna guess a grand.
A grand more.
Oh no, Yuki.
Fuck.
Uh,
Yeah, but
that's
I'm a grand and 600.
oof,
Jesus Christ.
oof.
And I had 2 grand Jordan Max, I think.
That's fucking hilarious.
I'm so fucking bad with days with uptrend.
Yeah,
Jesus Christ.
yeah, I can tell.
Fuck me.
That's funny.
I really, I really do need to figure this shit out.
Yeah, me too, man. You and me both.
Like I feel that there is setting up something right here for shorts,
Mm.
but I keep like every day, all day long. I was hinting about. I mean, I was wrong in this area, but at some area I was right about the thing that's gonna happen.
Yeah,
But timing it is like so fucking hard. Like I can time shorts, but longs, fuck me.
yeah, yeah. They're tough, man.
See that's maybe what I was waiting for,
Hmm.
but now it's gone.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. Well,
And if it's gonna keep puking all the way through this area, I'm gonna be super mad.
yeah, no kidding. Uh,
Fuck.
well, my P&L hasn't moved much the last couple days, but I'm not worried about that.
Hey, at least you're not regressing. Is- You're not losing money anyway, so
No, and I technically, if we're counting it as a win, today was my 10th green day in a row.
yep.
But barely, man. I almost hit daily loss limit.
And you saved it,
Yep.
so that's mean you make 500.
Yeah, yeah, pretty much. So, not too shabby.
Alright. That's maybe his timing here. Gonna try this last trade for the day, and I'm gonna take some review, do some review. Not too far. Alright, I mean,
Yeah, I like this a lot for a short setup.
where can I push it? Fuck.
I'm gonna try it on a one lot. We'll end the day together.
Yeah, it's taking long too, but okay, right. We have some momentum here. And it's coming back so damn fast. I think I'm still in the right leg, so it could come back lower than this. Yeah, it's taking way too long. I'm gonna exit. I mean, trying to. Yep,
Yeah,
right.
two ticker.
Yeah, I mean, it could just go right now, but it's taking way too long. I was expecting pure momentum here.
Yeah, me too. I would have ideally liked for that that chop run at 69.25 or like 68.25, and then just a puke lower. Like that's what I
Yeah,
think would have been an
yeah,
ideal setup.
yeah. But since it's not doing that, that hit me like gonna have a little bit more drama. But overall, I'm gonna retry if I have the same setup again. See here with the micro range is way too small, so
Yeah,
that's maybe a fact. And it was more about reclaim plays than liquidity plays.
sure.
So that's why it didn't yet mean much. You need to set up liquidity to actually go either direction. So that's why I prefer when the market just creating this kind of stuff.
Yeah.
This kind of move. All right, one tick below. Nice. And then pullbacks. Can you give it to me? Not too high. Maybe I'm too early. Fuck. Okay, right. I got lucky.
Yeah.
I got so damn lucky.
I got filled 69.75. Again, just a one lot.
Let's see. You don't need to push very high. But I think that's the timing. That's the only timing I have. So if I have one place to actually hold, that's the one. Because I have actually everything.
Yeah.
I have this chop run that's generating liquidity. Coming back into it. The pullbacks perfectly. And now we could, and the fact it's the second time we go in this area. You can push through it. Nice. I'm gonna start managing it.
66.75, 67. There we go. Nice. I took mine off.
Yeah, I'm gonna take off mine off too. Nice. You took
There
it
we
live.
go, man. I did. Yeah, I'm on a one lot, mind you.
Hey, I'm glad you made your day off my setup.
Yeah, exactly. I piggybacked.
See, that was the same setup before.
Yeah.
I took the same trade 2 times, but the way the first move is setting up is gonna hit me if the trade is gonna work or not.
Yeah.
And the first one was essentially reclaims, stall reclaims.
Mm-hmm.
So we don't have much liquidity. And the second one was really like range stacking, and that's what I like about this trade.
Yep.
Range stacking, go into prior range, make the pullbacks of it, and then just puke if we are in the right bias.
Yeah, and it failed the big huge reclaim that we printed a minute ago.
Yeah.
So you got a lot of factors of support there.
Yeah. See, for me, that was the setting move. The whole thing here is the setting move to actually go lower.
Yeah, I agree with that.
And here was the signer move, setting move to actually go higher, and it fails. And that's what I like about this trade.
Yeah.
I can I'm pretty sure I can hold it all the way through and even further, but I'm not strong enough to do that.
Yeah, at least you're honest.
But I'm pretty sure if I had the PNL and I was like just gambling my last slots, it could have been a really good spot to do that.
Yeah.
Because like this range can generate enough liquidity to actually push into this reclaim.
Yeah, big time. And the overall market is clearly in favor of that happening.
Yeah. Okay, so that's
eventful.
That's how much of the day? So
that last trade put me on 122 on the day.
nice. And you're officially green.
Officially green, man. I'll take it.
Yeah.
That's funny.
Good job, man.
Thanks, man. I'm getting pretty close to passing this whatever the fuck they call it.
This phase.
Yeah, the phase of the account.
Nice.
Which is surprising. I thought it would take long, and it could take longer. I could go into fucking drawdown tomorrow, but I mean, so far the consistency has been really nice.
Yeah, and I think like today and yesterday you just saved your ass from actually blowing up.
Yeah, dude, you could say that again. I think, I think in the past this environment would have murdered me. Especially
I got murdered today. So.
Yeah, exactly. So I think coming away green is fucking incredible.
Yeah, finishing break even is totally fine.
Yeah, exactly.
I mean, you climb back like 500, so
yeah, that's not bad, dude.
Yeah, that's way beyond your targets, daily targets.
Yeah, exactly. So
That's a good thing. Good thing.
I'm gonna call it there. I am starting to get tired, so I'm gonna fucking.
Yeah. Anyway, we are done.
We're
So
done, man. So I'm gonna take a break and then come back and do some review later.
yeah, I'm gonna review this session definitely
Yeah, yeah,
because
it's a
like
good one.
yeah,
I want to
sorry.
learn how to trade this, dude. I want to be
Yeah.
able to trade this kind of session.
Yeah, me too. I've got trapped way too many time and I lost clarity way too many time.
Yeah.
So nice.
Yeah, nice session, man.
Nice
It's
session.
good trading with you. Fuck, it's been 2 really tough sessions in a row, but
Yeah.
we're not blowing
And
accounts.
hey, just saying, last week I had like two really tough session in a row,
Mhm.
and the third one I blow up.
Okay, I'll keep that in mind.
Okay,
I'll keep that in mind.
okay, take it easy tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm not gonna push anything.
And we are approaching end of the week, so that's also fatigues.
Yeah,
Gonna
yeah.
keep up more easily.
Big time.
How many days I blow up on Friday?
Oh, dude, Fridays are a fucking killer, man.
Yeah, man.
They come
Fuck
for
me.
us.
So
Alright.
yeah, just saying, keep it chill out tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow we're
I
gonna
don't know.
chill, man. I'm gonna try to keep my executions like under 10.
Trying to, yeah.
Yeah. Alright,
All
dude.
right. See
I'll have to catch you
you,
tomorrow.
man. Yeah, see you, man.
See ya.